Hello Java candidates. Welcome again to my channel on frequently asked Java interview questions and answers. Today's question is, what are the new features introduced in Java 7? So let's take a look at some of the key features introduced in Java 7. The first feature is string and switch. One of the new features added in Java 7 is the capability to switch on a string. As until Java 7, only primitive types were allowed with switch, and the only means to achieve string-based conditional flow was using if-else conditions, as seen in the example illustrated. But with Java 7, the switch case also supports string. As seen in the example illustrated for Java 7, switch with string is a neat way for conditional flow. Second is binary literals. Binary literals are introduced in Java 7. The number should be prefixed with 0b to be treated as binary literal. This feature is very useful to bit-oriented systems like processors, network protocols, and bitmap hardware device. Earlier, the programmer used to transform from binary to decimal or hexadecimal and vice versa. Using this feature will remove this transformation and chances of error will be less in this conversion. The third feature is underscore between the digits in a numerical literal. In Java 7, any number of underscore characters can appear anywhere between digits in a numerical literal. This feature enables you to separate group of digits in numerical literal, which improves the readability of your code. The fourth feature is type inference for generic instance creation. You can replace the type arguments required to invoke the constructor of a generic class with an empty set of parameters. That is the empty diamond brackets, as long as the compiler can infer the type of arguments from the context. Please see the example for more clarity. The fifth feature is multi-catch exceptions. In Java 7, catch block has been improved to handle multiple exceptions in a single catch block. If you're catching multiple exceptions and they have similar code, then using this feature will reduce the code duplication. As you can see in the example, before Java 7, we had two catch statements, each performing the same task. With Java 7, we combine the exceptions together and hence reduce duplication. The sixth feature is try with resource. The resource is an object that must be closed once a program is done using it. For example, a file resource or a JDBC resource or a database connection or a socket connection. Before Java 7, there was no auto resource management, and we should explicitly close the resource once our work is done with it. Usually, it was done in the finally block of a try-catch statement. This approach used to cause memory leaks and performance hit when we forgot to close the resource. Java 7 has introduced a new interface called as java.lang.autoclosable. To use any resource in try with resources, the resource must implement autoclosable interface, else Java compiler will throw compilation error. Okay then, these are some of the key features introduced in Java 7. See you in our next video. Thank you for watching.